Thank you. Every time you take a square root, you shall put plus or minus. Okay? Is this a function or not? Why not? Yes, no, make up your mind. Can't be sitting on the fence, man. If you're a player, you're a player, okay? You can't be half. Sorry? It is a function. So if you take the input x equals 4, doesn't it want to go to 2 and 2 minus 2? Isn't that a player? Isn't that a player? Yes, not a function. You guys with me on this? Clara, what's going on? Can't see these arrows? Are these arrows confusing you? Oh. You guys all right on that? Okay, how about the second one? Is that a function or not? Not a function, Vikram? Is that a player too like you? Oh, my bad. Is that a function or not? So in other words, choose some x value. Is it going to give you two y values? Choose any x value you want. 2. What's it going to give you? 2 as well. Choose another value. 3. What's that going to give you? 1. So it is a function. Everybody with me on that? Because for every input value, there's only one output value. You guys with me on that? Is everybody okay on that? Usman, either. Okay, is everybody all right? Okay, so here's another more technical way of doing this, okay? Using a graphical method, okay? And this is a very important test. You must have learned this in Algebra 2. Did you guys learn this in Algebra 2? The vertical line test? Yes? Should have learned it in there. Okay, so in order to graph this, you need to rewrite this as y equals plus or minus square root of x. Okay. And if you graph this, it should look like this. And if you draw a vertical line anywhere in the domain of the graph, and I'll talk about domain in a few minutes, okay, draw a vertical line there, then it crosses the blue line at more than 1 point. More than 1 point. Therefore, not a function. Not a function. Is everybody okay on this? Yes? Wait, Kylie. Yes? Wait. You already got this down, Elizabeth? Nice. Okay, is everybody all right there? Now? Okay. Right, so here's the graph, and you can see that it doesn't pass the vertical line test. How about this guy? Is this a function? Why? Exactly, because if you were to draw a vertical line anywhere, it's going to cross the function only at one place, the graph at only one place. Therefore, it's a function. So everybody all right on this? Okay. You know, you had this graph on your quiz yesterday, something like this, okay? Some people had it drawing the other way, and I don't know quite why. Okay? Some people had it going like this. I have no idea where that comes from. All you have to do is put values in the table and graph that. That's all you had to do. Okay? All right? So yeah, I don't know where people came up with that. All right, function notation. Function notation. Shh. Function notation. Okay, so function notation is very often written like this, okay? Like F is typically one of the letters used for function. G is often used for a function. Why do you think I use JZ? You know him, right? You guys know JZ? Well, there's a function right there called JZ. Get it? Is he the one who sang Coming Home? No. Isn't that JZ? Oh, that's P. Diddy. That's P. Diddy. Okay, is everybody okay on this stuff? Everybody understand what function notation is? Okay, is everybody okay on function notation? Okay, you could get in calculus, you will see this often. S of t equals minus 16t squared plus 2t minus 9. Okay, so the function is called S. Its independent variable is called t. Okay, so that's function name. This is the independent variable. All right? All right, function evaluation. Also called, does anybody know the other name of function evaluation? That's too mathematical. Someone knows some. Sorry? Plug it in, plug it in. How many people remember the commercial from kindergarten? Glade commercial. Plug it in, plug it in. You guys remember that? I don't know if they show that anymore.
I remember.
You still see Glade commercials that go plug it in, plug it in?
Yeah.
What channel is that? Disney? I mean, I haven't seen it, so I'm just wondering what channel it'd be on. Nickelodeon? I don't watch that either, so I haven't seen it. Okay, can you guys go do this then? Guys, go do this. And then let's have some people up here to work. All right, so that's function evaluation, also called plug it in, plug it in. Where's my cursor? Oh, I know what's happening. Okay, piecewise functions. So these are again extremely important types of functions, and they're called piecewise because the domain is split up. So let me explain that to you. So can you start writing that down so I can explain?